Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. Today I will show how to use Stimul AI assistants to generate data for reports and dashboards. Select the Get Data command in the File menu or on the Welcome screen. Choose the layout type. First, select Report. Stimul AI provides a list of prompt examples. Choose one or enter your own prompt in the chat. When the data is generated, you can view the data tables. Click the Open button to create a report with this data. By default, the report designer suggests using the first data table. Select the data columns and click Preview to display the report. Go back to the report designer. Open the File menu, choose New, and select the Get Data command. Select Dashboard as the layout. Enter the user prompt and submit it. Click the Open button to create a dashboard with this data. Click Preview to display the dashboard. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!